Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Thabang Sekokotoane. I am a fashion designer. I do men's clothing. The experience for today for me, it was very, very nice. I was a bit nervous, but fortunate enough, and I'm confident a positive outcome will come back to me. And I'm looking forward for networking with other people to get to do more collaborations. You can find me at Facebook, is Thabang Grace Fashion Sekokotoane. That's my personal account. You can also find my business page is Grace Fashion. Yeah, you can also get me on my WhatsApp numbers. It's 074 444 9509. Hi, my name is Thabang Sekokotoane. I am a township entrepreneur.